Hello guys, my name is Soham and I'll be showing you how to create a custom error page in a Flask application like the one you see. So let's see how the default error pages in Flask look like. So I have this error page that returns a status code of 500. Now I want to customize the overall look of it, right? So in order to do that, I create a custom error.html file under the templates directory so that I can render it via my Flask application. And instead of creating a HTML file for every specific error codes, I create a general file and I pass the error code and the error description as variables. So as you can see, I've passed the variables error code and error description. And let's see how to modify the Flask app. So currently I am returning the status code 500 for the error route. So instead of returning this, what I do is I simply return the error.html file and render it using the variables error code 500 and error description internal server error. Now when I do this and I refresh this page, see, this is what I get. So thus I can customize this general error.html file for any particular error. So let's say I want to specify 403 and say I want to add forbidden. So over here you can see I can easily do this. So in order to get a list of all the HTTP response status codes, you can visit this link. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.